Hey guys, welcome to another episode of the RAV4. So these fog lights is Siemid fog lights. They work pretty well. Anytime that the headlights come on, the lights come on, the parking lights, all of that. Once all of this comes on, the fog lights come on, and when those turn off, the fog lights turn off. So it's really helpful. These headlights, they are aimed, you saw in the previous video, but they are aimed down a little bit, but because of the way the fog lights are designed, they have a little bit of an inflection, it seems like, or like an upward inflection. So it fills up the area where I can't see. And I'll post up a short video of what they look like and what I mean. But it fills in the area where I can't see, which is really good. And I'm able to see other pedestrians. Granted, I do drive in the city, so they're adding more lights around in the city, so it helps with visibility and all of that. But there are still times when I drive in Raleigh Hills and Cedar Hills and things like that where there are not as much lights, and even though it is a city, so it makes it a little bit harder, or new build areas. But these fog lights, they work pretty well. I do notice that I wish that they could just emit a little bit further out, but it's just the nature of these fog lights because they are recessed in. If you look from over here, they are recessed in. I might like cut this area right here on the shroud, like just 2 little slits, and then kind of push it in, because I see that the light is capturing on here. So maybe if I, capture it here with like a mirror or something reflective, I could probably aim it out that way so I could see a little bit more. But other than that, these fog lights work pretty great. I like them, and it does not look completely stock anymore. Well, it does, but it doesn't look cheap. I don't know why, but whenever I get cars with fog lights, they look a little bit more expensive. But anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I'm gonna go to Caddy Car Wash, whatever it's called, and I gotta get a car wash. Thanks guys, have a good one.